Hello, in this video we will be showing you how to navigate and search for journals on the Sage Journals resource. From the main page on Sage, click on the Advanced Search button, which can be found underneath the search bar. You'll now be taken to the following page where you will have to enter a keyword or term you wish to find relevant information on. For example, if you're looking to find journals relevant to nursing, simply type in nursing into the Enter Search Term section, and from the Access Type option at the bottom of the screen, click on Open Content to which I have full access, and then click on the search button. You will now find yourself on the results page, which should look like this. On the results page, there are a number of icons with different meanings for you to keep an eye on, such as the lock icons, which can be found on the left side of each journal. The blue open lock icon means that the journal is available for you to access, but only when you have signed into the Sage Journals website with your NWRC username and password. The green open lock icon means that the journal is available for you to access without having to sign into Sage Journals. The lock key icon means that the journal is not accessible, even if you have logged onto Sage Journals with your NWRC credentials. Underneath the title of journals, there are several icons to be found. The paper sheet icon allows you to view the journal in full text format, where you can click on any chapter that will be of interest to you from the content list available on the menu on the left side of the screen. The PDF icon allows you to view the journal in PDF format. If you open up a journal in EPUB format from the options on the top middle of the screen, you can also switch it to view in PDF format.